To grow a lot of vegetables in a limited amount of space, I rely heavily on Growlights to start transplants indoors. I use T5 Growlights currently, but I'm looking forward to trying the newest tech in Growlights, sent to me by SpiderFarmer. This is Tim from Organic Backyard Gardening. In this quick little unboxing video, you're going to learn more about the features of this light. It's actually in the market for a new energy efficient light, so it's great timing that SpiderFarmer reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try this light out. It's currently available on Amazon Prime. After reading reviews on the light and doing a little more research afterwards, I was really impressed with the specs of this light. This is the SF-1000. This light only draws 100 watts and has a 3 by 3 foot footprint for the vegetation stage and a 2 by 2 foot footprint for the flowering stage. To put things into perspective, with these specs, this light is over 6 times more efficient per square foot than my T5 lights. The LEDs are connected together in a series to form strings, and these strings are combined in parallel configurations to make them compatible with high-powered constant drivers. This light uses a MeanWell driver, and it's all built around the impressive Samsung LM301B diode. Is that it's very thin, and it doesn't require fans like other LEDs. It's super light, thin, and small. This light is insanely bright. Never look directly into these LEDs. To increase my shutter speed so you can get a sense of the 4 different colored lights on this LED board. It has a warm white light, blue light, a red light, and an infrared light. The lights also came with some hanging ratchets, which were really helpful, and measuring tape and some plant tags. It also comes with wire clips that you can clip to each corner of the board to connect the hanging brackets. The recommended hang distance is from 30 inches to 12 inches depending on what stage the plant is in. This light is also dimmable. It wasn't obvious looking at the driver and how to do this, but I did see on their Amazon listing they had a graphic that you need to pull off the driver. There's a rubber nipple that you pull out, and then you can take a Phillips screwdriver and dim the light that way. I don't think I'll be using this feature. I'll just pull the light further up if I need to. The great feature is that the LEDs are coated with a rubberized coating. Perfect for damp locations, and you can easily wipe it down. Overall, I'm really impressed with the build quality of this light and the specs, making it one of the most efficient lights on the market. I'm really excited to test this out, and I'll be posting another video later on once I get this up and running in the grow room. Thanks for watching, everyone. Any questions, comments, please leave them below. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe.